Hi, our class today, I will show you how to convert this SOP equation into the truth table. So by looking at this equation, you have x equals to AB bar C plus A bar B bar plus AB C bar D, and it's equals to AB bar CD plus A B bar C D bar plus A bar B bar C D plus A bar B bar C D bar plus A bar B bar C bar D plus A bar B bar C bar D bar plus A B C bar D. So this is known as a non-standard SOP. So this, the longest one is the same, but this one in the form of standard SOP. Okay, since you have A, B, C, D, then you will have 4-bit binary A, B, C, D. The domain is A, B, C, D. For 4-bit binary, you can construct 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0 until 1, 1, 1, 1. So the count number is from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Then you have to look at the output for standard SOP. For example, you got for SOP, remember, you read A is equals to 1, A bar is equals to 0. Okay. So A is 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 number 1. Number 1 should be placed in the X here. So by looking here, 1, 0, 1, 1. 1, 0, 1, 1 is here. 1, 0, 1, 1, number 1. Number 2, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, number 2 is here. 0, 0, 1, 1, number 3. 0, 0, 1, 1, here. Number 4, 0, 0, 1, 0. 0, 0, 1, 0 is here. Number 5, 0, 0, 0, 1. Here, number 5. Number 6, 0, 0, 0, 0. Number 7, 1, 1, 0, 1. 1, 1, 0, 1. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 number 1 in the truth table. Okay. If you read this truth table, so this one will be A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. This one will be A bar, B bar, C bar, D. This one will be A bar, B bar, C, D bar. 0, 0, 1, 1 is A bar, B bar, C, D. Here 1, 0, 1, 0, A, B bar, C, D bar. 1, 0, 1, 1, A, B bar, C, D. 1, 1, 0, 1, A, B, C bar, D. So you can check here, A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. So you got A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. Number 2 here, A bar, B bar, C bar, D. A bar, B bar, C bar, D is here. A bar, B bar, C, D bar. A bar, B bar, C, D bar here. A bar, B bar, C, D. A bar, B bar, C, D. Here is A, B bar, C, D bar. A, B bar, C, D bar. A, B bar, C, D. A, B bar, C, D is here. A, B, C bar, D. A, B, C bar, D here. Then, where is the non-standard come from? Okay, non-standard come from when you do a grouping. For example, you group here, here, and here. You can do a group of 1, 2, 4, 8. Right? So when you do a group of 4, so here you can check the state changes over here. You can see that A is all 0. So you will read A bar. B all 0. B bar. C changes from 0, 0, then 1, 1. So you don't read C. D change from 0, 1, 0, 1. So you don't read D. So you left A bar, B bar when you do a grouping. And then for this one, a group of 2, you can check this group of 2. A is 1, don't change state, so you read A. B is 0, so B bar. C is 1, 1 and 1. And D, so D change state, so you don't read D. So you got A, B bar, C. And this one, you don't have pair, so you need to read them back. A, B, C bar, D. So that's why you got the equation X So that's why you got the equation A, B bar, C plus A bar, B bar plus A, B, C bar, D. Okay. Thank you very much for your class today. Assalamualaikum.